Welcome to the galaxy of detox. That's like such a buzzword. I literally speak in buzzwords. So we're gonna get started by rolling our lemons and get the juices flowing. Chop this in half and squirt it into our juice jar, or lemonade jar. Ooh. Oh my god, it's just squirting it on me. Okay. I mean, it doesn't get much more cold pressed than this. Hand pressed lemonade. So then after we add our lemon in, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's about good. And I'm gonna throw in some goji berries. I got these goji berries in the bulk section in Whole Foods. So just like cheaper, and they're like super yummy, like, they're healthy. Just put however many you want. That's good. It gets creepy when there's too many, honestly. I get like, ugh, what is this? And then we're just gonna fill up the rest with some water. I mean, that was pretty easy. And we're done. We're literally done. We're done. So we're gonna put that aside. Okay, so now we're gonna make the black charcoal lemonade. Black charcoal literally is used in hospitals if like you overdose on or drink too much alcohol. This literally suck it all up and detox it. So this is good if you have a hangover or something. And we're just gonna throw a teaspoon of black charcoal into our little juice jar. Well, it's not, I don't even know if this is a teaspoon. It just comes in the black charcoal. Make sure you get coconut charcoal because that's the only edible one. You can grab this at pretty much any store now because it's getting trendy, sadly. But it's good that everyone knows about it. We're gonna put in 2 more tablespoons of maple syrup and another whole lemon. Ooh. This lemon is juicy. Super juicy. I feel like that's a song Cupcake would sing. I should have her write a song about juicy lemons. And then we're just gonna finish this off with a tablespoon of chia seeds. That's it, or else it's gonna turn into chia seed pudding. We don't want that. Finish it off with some water. Oh my god. Ta-da! Now let's go on to the matcha lemonade. Juice from 1 lemon. We're basically just repeating these steps, these first steps. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can put however much you want in. Like a teaspoon or so of matcha. And fill up the rest with some water. I'm excited. Can I pick these all up at the same time? This one's my favorite.